Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, I'm excited to bring you guys this next template that I came up with. This was a request to do some engagements mints, and I was like, what the freak is that? I've never heard of that. At first I'm like, did they misspell it? But when I went to Google and Googled it, it was like so many different things. I just wanted to try it all. So I have a few different ideas that I did and put together for the mints. Okay, so of course the first one, you're working with mints. So of course these are the first ones that I came up with and saw. You guys, these are too cute. Look at that. And it is on the front and the back, but you guys, look at that. That's freaking adorable. That's adorable. As you guys know, the measurements to everything that I'm doing is going to be on my Patreon page. Hold on, let me bring y'all the second one that I came up with. This one might be like my favorite one. I don't know. Hold on, let me get both of them. Let me set both of them up side by side. Okay. Okay. Now let's see if I can bring it up. Okay, can y'all see that? Look at it. It's like little place cards, but the mint is on the inside. Ah, that's adorable, right? These stand up. These are freaking cute. Now, these are a little bit bigger, just a tad bit, not too much. But these just, stand up. You can put these like on a seat. Not directly in the seat. You don't want nobody sitting on the mint, but like a placeholder or whatever. I don't know. Okay. Now, my last one that I came up with, I think this one is the best one. Look at these. Look at them. These are super, super, super cute. And you guys know, of course, I ran this through my my sticker machine to get it to stick onto the container. And you guys, I'm not going to lie right now, my craft room is a total wreck. It's a mess because I'm going to start selling the supplies that I use on my website so that you guys can, just straight get what you see in the video right over there. Starting with these containers, these will be in a set of either 12 or 24 on the website. I will put the link in the description box, but you guys, look at this. These are like adorable. Like, I want to redo my wedding now. Like, let me tell y'all, okay, when I did my wedding, the first and second time, okay, I was not a crafter. Like, I was not a crafter. So my wedding wasn't nothing, like, it didn't have, like little cute things like these, like we're gonna have to renew our vows or something. Something gonna have to be done because I feel like now, like, my wedding could be what I want it to be, you know. This is cute. This is just too cute. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions at all, please feel, oh, hold up, wait, I do got a question for you guys, because I never feel like I talk to you guys, and I want to start talking with you. So, yes, I would like to know, what is everybody doing? Like, what is the latest craft that you're working on? What is a new craft that you're working on? What is everybody doing? As you see, I'm trying to get my website together, you guys. I don't want to turn the camera around to my craft room. It's a hot mess. My husband said my room is looking like a warehouse. But you know what? It's fine. I love it. I like doing crafts. So even if these items don't sell, I will be using them myself. Okay. Anyways, I would love to know what you guys are doing. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.